A very good morning, class. Hope you all are fine and stay at home. Class, now today we will be going to discuss a new activity related to your subject social studies. So class, the name of the activity is this, that you have to draw a map of the world which helps in depicting all the continents in a very creative way by using clay or a cotton. See class, this is a activity which we will be going to discuss in a class. So class, let's start about this activity. So for completion of this activity, class, we have to require one white page, clay which is of different colors, or a cotton, it is your choice, then watercolor. So you have to require only this type of material. So class, now let's start how to make this activity. Now first of all, I can take a white paper and here I can draw the different continents. See here, I am drawing the continent of Antarctica. See, with the help of pencil. After making this continent, now let's move towards our next continent, that is the Australia. So class, with the use of pencil you can draw various type of continents. Now after Australia, here I will make another continent, that is the Asia. Now after completion of this continent, now class, after the Asia continent, I'll move towards our Europe continent. See here, I am making the continent of Europe with the help of pencil. See, this is a picture of a Europe continent. So class, same like this, you have to make all the continents. So class, we are having a 7 continents. So with the use of pencil on a white page, you have to make all the continents. So class, here I have finished with my different shapes of the continent. Now here I am taking a blue watercolor to fill all the white space. See here, I can fill all the white space with the help of a blue watercolor. So class, it is your choice whether you have to fill all these white space with the blue watercolor or with blue sketch pen or a pencil color. It is your choice. Now class, here I am taking a clay of this pink color. So here I can make a shape of this clay in the shape of Asia. See here, I can use this clay and to fill the space of Asia. See, so here I can fill this continent with the help of a pink color clay, and here I can also mention the name of a continent, that the name of this continent is the Asia. Now class, let's move towards our next continent. Now let's move to our next continent, that is the Antarctica. So this is our next continent. So for filling this space with the help of a clay, first of all I can paste it here now gum. So with the help of a gum, now here I can take a clay of the white color. See, this is the clay. Now here I can make a shape of Antarctica continent. See, after making the shape, I can paste it here on the white space. With the help of clay, I can fill this all the space of Antarctica continent. See class, my finishing part is completed. Now same way we can fill all these spaces with the help of a different type of clay. So it is your choice. You have to choose any of the color of the clay for filling these spaces with your choice color. Now class, see here, I can fill all the shapes of a continent with the help of different colors of a clay, and I can also mention the name of each continent. See, this is the continent of North Antarctica. See, same just like this, if we can talk about this continent, this is a Europe continent. So I can use a pink color clay and I can mention the name it here Europe. Same like Asia, same like Antarctica and same like Australia. So class, here you can also label this continent, that is the Africa. So class, see here, it looks like a very beautiful. So class, you can also draw a map of the world with the help of a creativity by using clay or a cotton. So class, we are having a 7 continents and 5 ocean in the world. Hope this activity is clear to you, and I request to all of you, please try this activity at your home. Thank you class.